Shenzhen Rixiang Technology Company Limited. Founded in 2003, we are a high-tech enterprise with 22 years of experience in intelligent locks involving lock design, lock software, and hardware research and development, product testing, and sales. Our main products are RFID hotel locks, smart app control locks, fingerprint locks, and cabinet locks. We focus on developing lock remote management and personalized design, and provide an intelligent lock management system which can work with hotel, condo, gym, etc. Also, we offer OEM and ODM services, and samples can be provided. We have 12 intelligent production lines and the R&D center. Our company invested $10 million in product research and development for the past few years. Now we are able to develop a new product every 2 months. Since 2005, we have obtained 57 utility model and design patents. A sample of a lock is tested multiple times before we launch the product to the market. Our products were issued by CE certification of the European Union, FCC certification of the United States, RoHS certification of the European Union, 374 Antithesis certification of the safety, and ISO 9001 inspection certificate of quality. Shenzhen Rixiang Technology Company Limited has exported to more than countries and regions in North America, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Welcome to contact us. We are happy to serve you.